That's our first pin. Good. Smoked her. Smoked her. Smoked her. It went right through her, dude. Dude.
Nice shot. Nice shot, dude. God. That's the easy part, huh?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I've been having problems with this doe for 2 years. The previous guy that hunted this stand, she must have spotted him plenty of times. Last winter, as soon as she came in, she started blowing. This time we changed the story.
Yeah, she came in 3 separate times with her daughter and turned around, went out, came back in one last time and we let it eat.
Grim Reapers, baby.
Dude, she went right through at 30. It was more like 20 because it was the first pin for me. Right leg shaking. That arrow hit so nice, dude.
We're gonna wait. I got a 12 point on the way. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Looks like a...
Didn't really go far at all, to be honest.
Check that out. Brought my dog out. He tracked our first deer for us. There you go, Donnie.
Thank you, brother. Good time, man. Good time.
Good job, Banners.
Got your first deer, baby boy.
Good job. He did good.
Dude.
Daddy let you run around for a second.
Enjoy yourself.
Yeah, look at that shot, dude. You're right there,
I
man.
was right there.
Just a little far back in the back. Get out of there.